with the Kirk Moose.
Kirk Moose, written by Lavinia Derwent. I'm a wee Kirk Moose. I haven't got a name, but yon muckle kirk in the corner is my home. With the cock in the steeple and the bell that gangs ding. And I wish I was big enough to go and hear it. I can sing all the psalms, I can say all the prayers. And I whiles do a dance up and down the pulpit stairs. I ken all the texts, I can find them in the book. And there's one human being with no emotion for to look. When the minister says firstly, and the photo of sitting down, I can creeping, and I want a sudden shame. And I'm wishing as I'm drinking for the passage to the pew, that there may be drop a pandal, or a peppermint chew. For I'm sometimes awfully hungry, and there's nothing much to eat except the paraphrases or a hymn book of truth. I've eaten the Alchana, I've chewed Beatitudes, but I can't say I've found in the tastest of foods. I'm a wee Kirk Moose and I haven't got a name. But I'm really quite content that it's just my empty way. So I'm hoping that some Sunday, would you mind about me, please? And bring me your Bible, a wee bit taste of cheese.
Ernie Duncan there. You might have noticed a slightly different accent for Ernie. Of course, Ernie's from Aberdeenshire. And so you'll hear different accents through the night with folk from different airs.